Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your social account in Hootsuite. To find the option to remove your social account, go into the social accounts and teams under your profile here at the bottom left. This is what you're looking for, and then click on it. In here, you're going to find all of the teams, members, social networks, and private accounts that you've attached to Hootsuite. Hover over one of your own social accounts. Press this gear symbol here. And on the bottom, you can find the option Remove from Hootsuite. Click on it, and then it will give you a confirmation message if you really want to remove it from your social accounts. Press Confirm, and it will immediately remove it without any more additional steps. And that's how to remove a social account in Hootsuite.